Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I have done a video. Been busy with work and with family life and family things. I'm glad to be out here today on Christmas Eve, going on a nice little ride. Trail's packed down nicely. It's a bit chilly. One second. There we go. Mechanical issue. All good now. Cold, chilly Christmas Eve morning. We haven't had much snow here in Edmonton the last little while, so a lot of the trails are really packed out nicely. Yep. This part of the trail is pretty good, but it's not as packed down as the first half. That's a gorgeous morning. So I hope everyone is having safe travels to their destinations, or have already arrived at their destinations for Christmas. If you celebrate Christmas, or you're just trying to get together with friends and family to celebrate each other's company, that's good too. For those who are by themselves, for whatever reason, and you're watching this video, I hope you enjoy it. It's keeping you company. All right. Got the PSI down to, I think, 7. Only because I'm not exclusively on trails, packed snow trails. I also ride on pavement, asphalt. And I gotta push the bike up. When they plow, they part They push all the snow on here. It's hard to get over. All right. Now we'll switch to some asphalt. We're going to take the path that leads to nowhere. I'm hoping over the Christmas break, so I'm off for 2 weeks, I'll be able to do a couple more videos. If the weather's good, I'll do one in the river valley. There's a nice little trail down there. I want to show you all. Christmas, I asked Santa for a pair of Kenda Juggernaut tires, 26x4 of course. Hoping I get them. They have a little more aggressive tread than my Kenda Gigas I'm riding right now. I think I've been pretty good. Hopefully I get them. All right. This is the road to nowhere. I believe I mentioned in my first video, I really hope that the Swiss City paves a few more kilometers of this trail. It's a great way to get access to parts of the river valley for those who aren't traditional mountain bikers, like myself. Alright, do a UE here. I think these are skidoo tracks. Oh no, they're not. Those would be the little caterpillars they used to clear the path. Light traffic today on the freeway. You know, it's been a few weeks since I've been on the bike, and I'm feeling it a little. Normally on my hybrid, I can do about 30 kilometers down this hill. It's fairly dry. I'm doing about 22 right now. Okay, we're going to cut across the street, the road. Hit the trail. Heads to the river valley. We're not going to go to the river valley. Just got to find a place to cross. You know what? I think I'll go down this way first, and then I'll cross. Take you through parts of the community you haven't been before. All right, let's go this way. The interesting thing I like about biking in the winter is the different perspectives versus spring or summer, or even fall. There's less activity, so everything this time of year seems much more quiet and nice, relaxing. You get a lot of in the now moments riding the bike. This is one of them. I tell you, the workout's 10 times better riding through this stuff in the spring. I know this is no exit, but I should make this part of my ride once in a while. Do you love that sound of fresh snow? Oh, even packed snow perching on the tires. So through there is public land. One video will go through there. It's apparently a little or a family of coyotes over there. We get a lot of coyotes up here because of our proximity to the river valley. So this video you're getting a nice urban bike dad ride. From I feel urban, rural, mountain bike, road. Wherever you can go and can get out, do it. For this video today, I just want to give you a bit of a taste of the community I'm in and some of the cool trails that are accessible from here. And you'll see some of those cool trails in some future videos. There are a lot of dogs in this community. There. This is a great Christmas Eve. I think for this variety of riding, 7 to 8 PSI seems to be working well. I think if I was exclusively in the river valley on some of the trails, I'd go 5 or 6, just for that extra grip. One thing I'm thankful for the Christmas break is that I have a job that allows me to take a couple weeks off, and secondly that my family are all close by. So my sister was up and her family on the weekend, so we had Christmas with them, and now the next couple of days will be Christmas with my wife's family, who all live pretty much here locally. except for a couple of the siblings and their families who live out of town.
Low power.
I was got to see one of my aunts and my cousin on the weekend as well. So that was a nice, fun visit. Although I like giving you guys a taste of my community in this video, the rides, I'm really looking forward to some of the videos I'll do in the river valley. It's just beautiful down there. We're very lucky to live in the city. Feel the sweat. The nice thing about winter fat biking, you got the appropriate gear, and really it's not that expensive for the gear. I don't buy custom. It's traditional bike gear. My boots are really nice, -40 insulated. Winter/hiking boots from Costco. Good price. My gloves, nice insulated from Costco. My insulated track pants from Costco. You're sensing a theme here. My jacket, my waterproof one, Costco, and I have another riding jacket underneath. It's thermal too. That's not from Costco. I get that online. But if you want to get into fat biking, it doesn't have to be that expensive. And you can still have good gear that's comfortable, that's breathable, and that keeps you warm and dry when you need it at a really good price. So, again, you don't necessarily need to buy all the expensive gear. And if you saw my previous video, you know what kind of fat bike I'm riding. Not that expensive. Good budget fat bike. There's a couple more little streets we're going to go down. I'm going to cut through the park. So we can end this video over in the trails that head towards the river valley. They're doing an awful lot of construction there. I was curious to see what it looks like. I think they're building some, digging for some electrical generator upgrades. I've heard there's a pipeline going in too. I'm not sure if it's the natural gas pipeline or it's part of the Trans Mountain development that our province desperately needs. I don't get very political in these videos, but we need that pipeline, folks. All right. Okay, we're gonna cut across through the park, and then to that River Valley path. You probably saw my first video. I want to end the video there. All right, both directions for safety. Last year, I started fat biking in February of this year. This year's almost over. I remember coming out here and they hadn't shoveled, cleared all these paths. And even with a fat bike, it was hard. But when the paths are done and cleared, and it's a beautiful day like this, it's just fat biking is such a wonderful winter activity, year-round activity actually. Because I do take my fat bike out outside of winter. Alright, we're going to whip through the ponds here. Hopefully we don't crash.